Ayan, good evening USA, good evening USA, good morning Philippines. Ayan, I'm going to send a message. Ayan, may nanonood sa akin. Ayan, sana ba yan? Ayan, ayan yung hair ko. Wala sa ayos, hindi napaghandaan. Ayan, sino ba? Ayun. Hi, it's Shantoy's World. Hi, it's Shantoy's World. Hello, hey. Thank you very much for coming to my LA, Shantoy. Ayan. Thank you so much. I sent a message to my friend this way she can give support. Yeah. I have to share. I have to share. Live. Oo, live na ako. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Sige. Bye-bye. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much, madam. Sige. Oh, thank you, ha? Ay, sus, ginoo ko. Okay. Sige. Naanak ko sa atubangan, nagay duha diri nya nag-hi si It's Shantoy's World. Baka nakuha nag-show to sa imo gaina. It's Shantoy's World. Oh, kuhaan ni na diri oh. And we have flavors and tips. Hi. Uy, si flavors and tips ako mo. Flavor and tips. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Patyon sa nako ni uy. Okay, sige, thank you. Bye-bye. Oh my God! Flavors and tips. Thank you very much for coming. Don't go. Oh yes, from India. Wow. Don't go. You know what? Flavors and tips. I did not show you love yet, but thank you very much. But look, just wait. Wait, okay? Don't go. Just wait. Oh, sa mani. Nandyan ka pa pala. I will pay you. I told you I gave you 4. I will give you 4. Just wait, okay? I have one here. Don't go. Winaflor McGinnis, yes, thank you. Batline, thank you. Wow, sis, thank you very much. Hello, sis. Hello, my friend. Good to see you. Thank you so much. Yes, good to see you too, my friend. Batline. Wait, flavors and tip. Wait, okay. I promise you 4. I will give you 4. I did not pay you yet. Okay, just wait a minute. Okay. I'm so sorry. Okay. I'm sorry. So, ayan. You're welcome, my friend. Ayan. I think Bad Climb have Win a floor. Win a floor. We have Bad Climb in the building. Win a floor. If you are not connected with Bad Climb, you can go and grab Bad Climb. Win a floor. He's a good man. I am here, friend. Okay. Thank you very much, my friend. Sis, win a floor. Win a floor. Bakit nag-win a floor? Win a floor, yes, thank you. I'm going to find, okay, my phone. Going to play your video. Yeah, you're 267. I'm playing. I'm going to let this video on until finish. I told you I'm going to pay you 4, okay? And Bad Climb, my friend, just wait, okay? I'm going to pay my flavors and tips, yes, because I have uh, dip from her, sorry, flavor and tips. It's hard. Oh my god, I can't find her. Flavors with S. I'm sorry guys, huh? Okay, I found you her. So flavors and tips, if you're there, yeah, just look. I'm going to play your video again. Here, it's 3 minutes. God, I'm sorry. And okay, again, it's easy to find you here. Okay, okay, this is the third one. I'm going to play your video again because I told you I give you 4, right? So, yes, playing and her here. Okay, because sometimes people they don't believe, they did not believe that I give hours. I'm going to my life. It's easy. It's easy. Okay, so look at my hair. I did not comb my hair, guys. I'm so sorry. So now look at your fish. Just remember that 267, and then later if this, oh, I will give you 5. Since you're here, I will give you 5. This one too. Okay? They're all legit. You don't have to worry about them. Yes. Because I did not pay you yet. So, okay, I'm going to read the message now. Thank you. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm going to start, okay? 'Cause since they're playing, I will let them play, okay? Tamsa Hos from Victoria Hopper. Thank you very much, sis. Ayan. Hello, sis, from Winaflor Mac Genies. Ayan. Did I say right, sis? Badline, hello, my friend. Good to see you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much also to you, my friend Badline. Wina Flor Jenis Langga, long time no see. Genesis o baka kuan Genesis. Ayan. So, this is my original um flavors and tips. It's done. So I click now. You see that? I'm going to the bright. You see? My God, the light. Oh, see, it's not red anymore. And I'm going to ring the bell. Okay, I'm done to you, but I still have 4 coming. Okay, yes, ayan, Winaflor, yes. Hello everyone from Winaflor McGenius. Winaflor, no lang, parang naano ako mag-ano. Okay, you're welcome, a friend from Van Klein. Ayan, I am here, friend from Flavors and Tips. Yes, thank you very much, guys. Thank you, Flavor and Tips. I know you're connected already to Victoria Hopper, but I have friends here that I recommend you to get her. Ayan. I have Wina Floor. She's legit. You can shoot and grab Wina Floor flavors and tips. Ayan. So, okay, I'm going to read again. And we have It's Shantoy's World also in the building, guys. Oh my God, you know what? This morning when I make live also, It's Shantoy's World. She's here with me. And now she's here again. Oh my God, I really appreciate that. She's very supportive, guys. You see? She's very supportive. So once you're going to make live someday also, or tomorrow you're going to live, I know it's Shantoy's World. She's going to show some love to support, guys. Ayan. Hello, Bad. Hello, Badline from Wina Floor. Ayan. Flavors and tips. Thank you again from Madam Victoria Happer. Friend na mini Badline from Wina Floor. Oh, I see. Well, that's good. Wow. Yun naman pala. Oh my God. Like one friend. Ayan. Oh, we have Jessica Watford. Wow, Jessica Watford, thank you very much for coming to my LS. Madam Tamzak host, thank you very much. Ayan. Oh my God, they're done. So I want to see you. I click this one. The second. This third, check your fish. Fourth, this is my baby's channel. I connect to you right now. I already. Oh my god, my phone, once you squeeze the shake like this, automatic, it's clearing the phone. And got it. How many subscribers you've got now? 272. You are 272 now. Flavors and tips. Did you see that? Please can you check your fish if you are not believe if you did not believe. Yes. Yes, Jessica Watford. Hello from Wina Floor. Ayan. Jessica Watford, shout out to you from Victoria Hopper. And we have Valiling TV in the building. Shout out sa lahat. Hi, host. Yes. We have Gina Smith. Wow, I need some advice. What do you want? I have 6 years old daughter and what? How to clean her belly button. Dito, ano lang, cotton buds. Use cotton buds. Yeah, just cotton buds. Use that. That's what I used to my baby. Cotton buds. Even mine, still cotton buds. Ayan. Yan. Genies from Winaflor. Mac Genies. Ayan. Sorry sis ha. Ayan. Ala, nawala na ako. Ayan dito. Baliling TV, shout out from Victoria Hopper. Good night guys ha. I have to wake up early in the morning to go. Yes, thank you very much madam. I understand. I know you have to sleep. It's too late already for you because I know you have to wake up maybe 4 a.m. right? So, it's okay. Thank you very much. Sa pagdating mo dito, pinakita mo na sa akin yung support mo. I really appreciate that. Mwah! Thank you, madam. Good night, madam. Sweet dreams. I love you. That's my friends. Very supportive friends. That's Madam Victoria. Ayan. Hi, Victoria Hopper from Baliling TV. Ayan, she's going to sleep. But sa mga taong gusto mag-support sa kay magpakita ng okay na nga magparamdam kay Madam Victoria 100% ako sure babalikan kayo bukas pagising ni Madam Victoria. Ayan, ang hirap naman mag-English pa. Diyos ko, dumudugo pang ilong ko. No to fishing, palo ni Lolo. Jessica Watford, no to fishing. Really? Oh my God, I did that already. But this is my first time I did. Oh, hi. Thank you very much, Jessica Watford. My God, I didn't know that. Ayan. Hi, everyone from Win the Floor. Hi, from Gina Smith. And we have Francine Motovlog. Hi. Okay, guys. Okay. Maging original na ako, ha? Puro lang ako basa. Ayan. Guys, I have friends here. His name is Bad Klein. I feel pity to him because he subscribed already to 1,000 people subscribers. He subscribed 1,000 already. And if you want to show some love to Bad Clan, guys, because his building is just 200 something, I think. I'm not sure. So please show some love to Bad Clan, guys. He's very legit. He's very legit. I felt pity to him. That's why I told him, oh my God, I want to help this man. Because people, they just get what he gave but he did not receive about you know about he did not receive the same what he did. Oh my God, English is hard. Oh my God, magtagalog ng hulong ako. Friend namin ni Banza, okay lang Lia, mag-video lang ako ha. Okay, thank you very much guys. Thumbs up the live, please. Thank you very much. It's Shantoy's World. Ayan. Please give your host a thumbs up, please, from Bad Klein. Ayan. Have a good night, Sis Victoria from Wina Floor. Hi, sis host from Baliling. Ayan. Sa Wina Floor, day tulog usa ko day ha kay matapa ko kadlawon day work. Ayan, from Victoria Hopper. Sige day tug pala diha. Sige day tug pa na diha from Wina Floor. Yan, Wina Floor. Salamat day sa support. Flavors tips. Thank you so much, my dear friend. I'll be with you. Wow, thank you very much also, Flavors and Tips. Guys, we have Flavors and Tips in the building, guys. And she's very legit. Please show some love to Flavors and Tips. Victoria Hopper, Winaflor McJeans, Baliling TV, It's Shantoy's World, Bad Klein, he's in the building also. Jessica Watford, ayan. We have Gina Smith. Yes, ala, ang dami ko pa na hindi nabasa. Franzine Motovlog, ay, nandito pala ako. Sandali lang guys ha. Bumalik ako. Hi everyone, hi, hello. Who's from Franzine Motovlog? Nick Fire mo in the building. Hello sis, thank you very much sis for coming to my LS. Pasali sa isdaan dyan from Franzine Motovlog. Ayan, of course. Go guys, go, go, go. We have Franzine Motovlog in the building. Shout out to all from Nick Pahermo, tamsak sa sexy na host. Wow, thank you very much. Ayan, siguro nagsipag-alisan na sila kasi hindi ko binasa yung message. Ang dami-dami na dito. Oh my God. Good to see you, all of you, from Jessica Watford, supporting host. Hello all from Jessica Watford. Ayan, thank you very much also, Jessica Watford, for coming to my LS. Jessica Watford, we have Baliling TV in the building. We have Flavors and Tips. Wina Floor, Nick Fahermo, Bud Klein in the building. Yes, we have Franzen Motovlog in the building. If you are not connected with them, you can go and grab them. Yes, thank you very much, guys, for coming to my LS. I really appreciate. I did not expect that you all guys coming here right now. You're here with me. Ayan. Ayan. Hello sa lahat. You are so supportive there. Yes, from Flavors and Tips, of course. You know why? Because I know what it feels. I was there. I start also in the one subscriber, and then I know what it feels. Now I'm still catching fish, but I'm almost there. I'm so happy. I'm so happy also because I reached my watch hour already. But still, I just want to make life because my baby, she's sleeping already, so I'm free. So that's why I'm here. Yes. Hello sa lahat from Franzen Moto Black. You are so supportive. I read that. I got 3 updates pending. I don't know what that means, lol. What is that? What pendings? It comes from YouTube? From Bad Klein? What pendings from where? Dito lang si Siko, BGBC, Mwamwa. Okay, sis, thank you very much. Hello from Franzin Moto Vlog. Yan, Win na floor. Wow, thank you very much, sis. Hi, Nick Join from Flavor and Tips. Sis Nick, for her move of Flavors and Tips, you know what, the way she said join, meaning she show you love already. She clicked your red button. That's what she did to me, and I did not expect that she show me love already. And then when I'm live, she's here. She's the second person in my live stream. Oh my God, I really appreciate it. Talaga. Excuse me, I'm speechless. I will visit all my friends' home soon. Okay, stay connected from Flavors and Tips. Ayan. I do appreciate your help, my friends. Oh, but Lion, it's not just you're here, I know, but I will send you the person who can make live stream also. I will send it to you. This way you know who they are, and then I will tell you what time they're going to live also. This way you can catch fish there. Okay, I will send it to you. I will do that, my friend. I told you I want to help you. I really do. I really want to help you. Yeah, I'm promise. I'm serious about that. uh, uh, since we're here in YouTube also, of course, we're going to make friends, a lot of friends, are real friends, not just use friend, fake friend. I don't like that. Because sometimes people, the fake friend, I fail them, so I stay away from them. That's my attitude. Oh my God. Ano, hello, Flavors and Tip from Wina Floor Mac Genius. Ayan, dito lang ako sis, tambay from Baliling TV. Yes, thank you very much, Baliling TV, ha? Hi, Bob Klein, don't worry, we will help you from Flavors and Tips. Wow, thank you very much, Flavors and Tips. See, Bob Klein, we have friends also. We have Flavors and Tips. Yes. And she want to help you too. Wow, that's so sweet. I love that. Baliling TV, hello, my friend from Winaflor. Yan. Winaflor, hi to you from Baliling TV. Yan. Hi, Winaflor. Join from Flavors and Tips, guys. Flavors and Tips, that's the way she call your attention. But when she send that message, she mean it. She click your red button already, meaning you're connected already. So please, guys, show some love also. Okay? Be be fair. Oh my God, I'm sorry. Yeah, flavors and tips from Wina Floor. Yes, yes, I like true friends from Bad Client. Yes, let's go from Wina Floor. Yes, thank you guys. Thank you very much. Oh my God, thank you very much. Flavors and tip, I do appreciate you so much. Ayan. Oh my God. Okay. Thank you very much guys. Nabasa ko na lahat at pwede na akong magdakdak. So I can I can talk now. Agad. Baliling TV. Baliling TV. Baka naman hindi mo pa connected si Bad Client at saka si Flavors and Tips. Baka naman show some support, show some love to Flavors and Tips, Baliling TV. Show some love to Flavors and Tips and Bad Client. Maybe if you are not connected to Win a Floor also, can you show some love to them, Baliling TV? Yan. Baka naman, baka naman. Oh, we have Jessica Watford. I'm sorry, Jessica Watford. I have to scroll. I have to scroll my screen. I'm good. Asan ang cellphone ko? So, since wala pa akong babasahin, since I'm going to, I'm going to, um, I'm going to Facebook right now. I'm going to search the person who I tell to bad client that I'm going to send it to him. This way, he don't need to wait my message. Don't need to wait my message. This one, I'm going to take a picture of this my friend, and you can go to his channel. He's going to live tomorrow, 2 o'clock. Ayan, 2 o'clock our time. That's him. 2 o'clock our time. Oh my God. Oh, it's Shantoy's World. Yeah, she's still here. Thank you very much, it's Shantoy's World. Thank you very much. I really appreciate. Yes. Oh, I send you one. I'm going to search the other one. I don't know if she's still live until now. Guys, it's Shantoy's World. Shantoy's World. She's still here in the building. If you are not connected to it, Shantoy's World. Oh my God. I'm sorry. I'm going to give you jacket now in the floor. Flavor and tips. Ayan. I'm not going to make live too long tonight because I'm live already yesterday, this morning. Yes. And Balaling, I will give you a jacket. Ayan. Si Franzin Moto, I'm going to give him, yes. Sino pa? Si Jessica. Ayan. How, why? Why it's thumbs down? I'm what? Why you thumbs down? Is it, are you sure your thumbs down? Is it thumbs down or thumbs up? Yes, dito lang ako sis. Yes, thank you so much. Yes, thank you, thank you. Yay. We will be there. Ayan, from Wina Floor. Yes, thank you, host from Wina Floor. Yes, Dan thumbs up from Baliling TV. Thank you very much. And thank you very much also sa'yo, sis. Ayan. Oh my God. Hindi pa ako nakapag-play pala. Munti ko nang makalimutan mag-play. Ayan. So, oh, but client, tell me why it's thumbs down. You don't want to go to his live stream? You don't want to go to his live stream? There's a lot of people there. A lot of people who always watching his live stream. Tell me. Um, okay, I'm going to my live now. This way I can see. How about you, flavors and tips? You want some tips too? You want some tips too to who can get uh, a lot of subscriber too? Okay, where is the? Hindi ko ba to nabigyan si flavor and tips? Yes. Thumbs up na ako ho, sis, from Wina Floor. Thank you. Flavors and tips. Hi, yes, it was a mistake. I didn't mean to do that. I am sorry. Okay. It's okay. It's okay, my friend. Don't worry. Excuse me. Because I'm here. So now you have 272 subscribers. Now, my God, thanks. Thanks. Excuse me. Thanks, God. I mean, um, uh, flavors and tips. Maybe you want to have some tips also how can get a lot of how can to where you can catch a lot of fish. Okay, I'm going to announce here since we're saving naman. We're saving. Okay, you can go guys. You can go to if you want to get the 1,000 subscriber easily. Oh, no, 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 don't worry. It's okay. You don't need to, that's fine. I understand already. So you don't have to worry about that, my friend. Okay? Don't worry. Um, you can go to TR Nyeriri, which is, he's in New York. He's making live tomorrow, 2 p.m. US time, 2 p.m. So that's the time that he's going to make live. Okay? Yeah, next channel, homely remedies. Okay. Oh, okay, so you can this. Okay, if you have another channel, just connect to my channel right now when I'm live. This way later, they say it's not good to connect that when I'm live. You can just or you can write here. Just send a message here this way I know, and I'll take a picture this way later when I'm done. I'm going to send you some love too. Okay, show you some love later when I'm done. Flavor and tips. Thank you very much, flavors and tips. Thank you so much. What can I see? I am a moron. Lol. From Bad Klein. No, you just say that to yourself. You're not. You're not my friend. Bad Klein, just click the thumbs up. It will automatically delete it. Oh, see, Bad Klein, somebody help you already how to delete the thumbs down. No, because he put thumbs down in the message. That's why. It's okay. No need to worry about that. But Klein, no, you're not. From Win the Floor. Okay, thank you so much. From Bad Klein. Okay, homely remedies. Hi friends. Oh, this is your channel. I'm going to take a picture now. I'm going to take a picture. This way I'm going to give her I'm going to make live this is the easy way. Wait, I can see my own self here in my phone. Okay. Bad Klein. Oh, so oh, you hide the okay, now I understand now. I'm going to make sure I click the the bell this way every time you have a video. Oh my god, this is moringa. I love moringa. I love moringa. That's my favorite too. I don't know. I'm looking for moringa here in USA. I don't know where to find this moringa. And I have to go to Jamaica first before I can I can eat this moringa. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Bad Klein. Okay. Okay, thank you so much from Bad Klein. Hi friends, yes. I'm going to take a pictures this Bad Klein. Because But if I have some, I click here, take a picture. This way, later, I'm going to pay you. Ayan. Okay, thank you very much, my friends. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much, sis. Thank you so much. Ayan. Hi, friends. Nag-hi na si Homely Remedies. Oh, Wina Floor. Wina Floor. Homely Remedies. Is second channel of flavors and tips also. Baliling TV. Homely Remedies is the second channel of flavors and tips. Oh, don't forget to to catch Bad Klein, guys. Please show some love to Bad Klein. Please. Please, guys. It's okay, you're not going to give thumbs up to me. As long as you give love to Bad Clan, that's important to me. Thank you so much, guys. Let me check if how many subscriber you got now, my friend. 306, still 306. Nobody want to catch Bad Klein. Baliling TV, you don't want to catch Bad Klein. Oh my God. Still 306 backline. Okay, I will give you jacket homely. Ayan. Got to have fun. Lol. From backline. It's me flavors and tips. Yes, I know. I'm going to send you show you some love later, my friend. Okay? Yeah, new channel there just started. Oh, okay. I see. I like to laugh and make others laugh from bad client. Well, that's good, my friend. And you don't need to always think negative. It's not good for your health too. My God, my God. People who don't know what's the truth about bad client. Like people they don't care, but people who knows what's the truth, of course they really care. Like me, I know he told me something and then like, oh my God, I feel pity to this man. He asked other people also how to start blogging, but nobody want to tell him the truth. See how unfair they are, and just only a simple thing, and they don't want to help him. I don't like that. Okay, yan. Sorry, I'm talking. Say only two videos. Yes, I saw that from Homely Remedies. Hi Winna Floor. Join from Homely Remedies. Yes. I've just got started. I only have two videos so far. I will make more when weather clears up. Don't worry about the video, but client, don't worry about that. You know what? I just started last month in my channel. I just started last month. And I just only have what na 19 videos, but most of them just live, not my, not just only few minutes. Like how many videos I got. Mostly is live, because sometimes I don't know what the video I'm going to upload, so it makes me crazy. So if you don't know what is your content, if you are, it makes you crazy, just make live. If you bad client, I want you to make live, and I'm here, my friend. I told you I'm going to help you. I'm here. I'm going to help you or your watch hour. While you're catching fish, you're going to make your going to work your watch hour, and I will help you, my friend. Okay? You don't need to wait for the spring. The spring is when April, right? Is it April? So if you wanna go to live, my friend, this way I can help you to reach the watch hour soon. Make live, my friend. I'm here. I will help you. Like me, my friend, I just start my channel last month, and thanks God, I don't have a problem in my watch hour now. I need fish. I have time to catch fish tonight, but I decide to make live. I'm going to say, welcome to Shara Masinerni. Did I say right? Ma Maxinerni. Yes. I'm sorry. Guys, let's welcome Shaira. Guys, we have Shaira in the building. Let's go and grab Shaira, guys. Shaira, we have Win Floor in the building. We have Homely Remedies. We have Baliling TV. And we have Badline in the TV. Sorry, Badline in the building. I'm sorry. If you are not connected with them, they are all legit, they are nice person. You can show some love to them, and I will promise you, I guarantee you, they will pay you back. What you give is what you get. Promise. And we have Paloma in the building. Paloma or Sal. Wow. Thank you very much, guys. Guys, let's welcome Paloma. Paloma Orsal. We have Win Floor in the building. We had Bad Klein. We had Shaira. Shaira, kasi pag inano nyo na lang yan, inano, di ba? Ano, alam nyo na yan. We have Baliling TV in the building. We have Homely Remedies. We have Flavors and Tips. Oh, before anything else, we have Flavors and Tips because her name is in the top. So don't forget, we have flavors and tips in the buildings. If you are not connected with flavor tips in the building, flavor and tips, you can go and show some love to flavor and tips. Baliling TV, Win Floor, Homely Remedies, Bad Klein, China Maxineri, Nerni. Oh my God. Mga social kasi itong mga nandito, mga foreigner. So it's hard to pronounce their last names. I'm sorry, guys. I'm Bisaya kasi. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. Uh, sensei. Okay, I'm going to read now. Ayan, I'm already friend with Batline. Okay, yes, copy sis. Hi Batline, join from Homely Remedies. Ayan, Batline, Homely Remedies is the second channel of flavored and tips. Ayan. See. Shaira, hello from Winaflor. Andun ako kanina sa LS ni Winaflor na kanina dami tao from Baliling TV. Nag-LS ka kanina sis? Ay, hindi ko alam sis kasi nandun ako nakafocus mag-support sa aking kaibigan din. Kagabi naloka nga din ako kasi kaya dalawa lang yung nakasupport sa'yo kasi dalawa nandun sa kaibigan ko, dalawa nasa sa'yo, ang dalawa nandun sa kabila. So naloka yung mga gadgets ko and then nakafocus ako kanina sa friend ko nag-live. Ayan. Kaya hindi ko na malayan nag-live ka doon kasi ako nag-ano. Sorry sis, oh my God. Bawi na lang ako sa pag-play ng video mo sis, okay? Pagkatapos ko mag-live sis, i-play kita. Promise yan, ayan. Asa na ka? Yes, we are friends, sweet friends from Bad Klein. Ayan. Hello, in the floor from Shaira. Yes. Oh, God, guys, please connect to Bad Klein, guys. Don't ignore Bad Klein. He's not a bad man. He's not a bad person. Is it hard to click the red button to Bad Klein, guys? Oh, finally, he got one. Oh, Paloma or Sal. Paloma or Sal, I know you are not connected to Bad Klein. You can go and grab Bad Klein, Paloma or Sal. Oh, Baliling TV, I know you are not connected to Bad Klein. Please naman guys, show some love to Bad Klein. He's not a bad person. So we're here to connect, right? That's why we're here. So let's go. Don't wait for tomorrow because tomorrow is the another day. So, ayan. I'm going to read again. Ayan. Okay. Baliling TV, thank you again, my dear, from Winaflor. Ayan. Thank you so much, my friend from Badline. You're welcome, my friend. I love you all so much. Really, I do hugs to you. Don't use that hugs, my friend Badline. Don't use that. Can you delete the message the message you write that there's a hags? It's not good because YouTube they're not going to allow to. They don't like that hags. They don't like subs words. It's not good. The message is going to spam. and it's not good for me also. I hope you understand, my friend. Don't use that hangs. Don't use subs to subscribe. Don't use that. I understand. I'm not angry. I understand you because you're just starting your channel, so it's okay. But I'm telling you. Wow, thank you very much, my friend. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my God. I really appreciate. Hello, host. Patambay po from Paloma Orsal. Of course, sure, why not, sis? Yan, Paloma. Hello from Winaflor. Ayan. Winaflor. Playing po from Paloma Orsal. Ayan. Yes, let's go from Winaflor. Here pa rin ako, sis, from Baliling TV. Thank you very much. Oh my God. Thank you so much, guys. Siguro mag-isang oras lang ako. I really appreciate talaga sa pagtambay ninyo. Kasi ang akin lang naman para lang meron madagdag na naman yung mga nandyan sa ano ko, sa box ko. Kaya ayan, sumaglit lang ako. Sabi ko nga, kahit walang papasok, okay lang. At least mangangawa-ngawa ako. Okay lang din. At least meron namang makita si YouTube, si Lolo, na talagang present ako, 'di ba? Hindi empty yung box ko. Kaya ayan, but thank you very much, guys. I really appreciate talaga yung pagpunta nyo dito. Yes. Here pa rin. Ayan. Ang dami kong basahin. I'm so sorry. Ayan. Hala. Ha, ha, ha. From Paloma. Bad Klein. Hi. From Paloma Orsal. Oh my God. Paloma Orsal. Unahan mo na yan si Bad Klein. Napaka-legit yan. Napakabait. Alam nyo ba, ilan ang sinubscribe niya? Ang dami niya nang minahal. Nakaabot na siya ng 1,000. Excuse me, 1,000 na ang minahal niya. Sabi ko, oh my God, magbura ka nga. Pinabura ko sa kanya yung mga minahal niya kasi nga hindi naman siya minahal. Ilan pa lang yung bahay niya, yung tao niya sa bahay niya. Tingnan mo nga, oh, 307 pa lang. Sabi ko, burahin niya. Yan, I'm going to read na. Paloma Orsal, hi to you from Baliling. Hi friends, visited most people. Yes, from Homely Remedies. Yesterday yata, he meant sis, wala ko nag-live sis, workman ko ganina. Kaya nga sis, nagtaka nga ako. Pero nag-sorry din ako kasi akala hindi din ako tumingin eh. Yan. I am 65, have stag, 3 kidney disease. See, guys, can you read bad client message? This way, you know. So that's why I want to help bad client because I felt pity to him. And then somebody like, you know, he asked some help, but nobody want to help. Not financial help. Just advice, suggestion, help how to start in YouTube channel, how to start blogging, but nobody want to help him, and I don't like that. That's that kind of attitude that which is I don't like. So, see, all of you, can you read Bad Klein's message? He have message here. See, he said, I am 65. He's 65. Have stage 3 kidney disease and stag 2 lungs disease and congested heart failure. I have a pacemaker and defibrillator. I call that my shock collar. But I don't want sympathy. It's okay. He don't need sympathy, guys. But he said he's in a good health now. So, but what he's trying to say, he just let us know that, at his age, he's 65 years old already. But it's not too late as long as you enjoy being a blogger. See, as long as you're happy bad plan, right? As long as you enjoy being a blogger and make some friends. So yeah, enjoy your life. Yes. So guys, nabasa nyo rin po ba yung binasa ko this way? Alam nyo rin naman yung binasa ko. Ayan, we have Love Janice Janice in the building, guys. Oh my God, parang naantok na ata ako. Kaya ito yung pagbasa kong ganito. Yes, let's welcome Love Janice, guys. Sino pa yung hindi connected kay Love Janice? Please go and grab Love Janice. Love Janice. Oh my God, nabubulol ako. Sorry. Love Janice. We have bad client in the building. We have Paloma Orsal. We have Winaflor McGenius. We have flavors and tips in the building. We have homely remedies. And you don't have to worry about flavors and tips and homely remedies. That's flavors and tips. That's her original. They are all original, but she have two channel, and they're here right now. So if you are not connected to flavors and tips, homely remedies, you can go and show some love to flavors and tips and homely remedies. But client also. Yes, bad climb, Paloma or Sal, bigyan na nga kita ng jacket, Paloma. Alam mo kasi gabi na iba para talaga 'pag naano ka lang mag-live ano, kasi hindi ka ano, parang hindi ka focus, ayan. BG lang host, I will click your thumbs up before I will go from Imlove Janice. Yes, thank you very much. Hi, smile, dala ng Filipina. Wow, thank you very much, Love Janice. Floor, beauty of Wisconsin, United States semi-truck ride from Paloma Orsal. Ayan, nanonood na siya sis sa yung video, si Paloma Orsal. Okay, I didn't know. I don't want to do anything to hurt you, my friend. Who's that? Oh, no, oh yeah, that's okay. It's okay. No, 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 it's okay. No problem, my friend. Alis na mi host after 15 minutes. My nose totally bleeding na here from Love Janice. Oh my God. Okay, sis. Thank you very much sa pagdaan. Kasi nga, hindi naman ako magtatagal din. Ayan. Huwag kang mag-alala. Hindi ka rin naman nag-iisang nagno-nosebleed. Ako rin naman. Nagno-nosebleed din ako. But trying hard. Always trying hard lang naman din ako. Hello, Love Janice. Hello from Floor. Yan. Hi, Floor from Love Janice. Yes. Hi, friends. Those who don't visit my home, please remember to visit. Only 271 subs to please help. Oh my God. Flavors and tips. Can you delete your message, please? Because you put the subs in the message. Subs is not good also. It's not good to write because YouTube they don't like that, and then the numbers also. So numbers and the word subs and hug is not good, because if I'm going to delete on my own, maybe it takes 300 seconds, I think, before you can come back in my channel, I think. So okay, maybe let me see. Okay, you're still here. It's okay. I did already. I'm not sure. I just delete. But you're still here, right? Yeah. Thank you, flavors and tips. At least you understand. I enjoyed being with my friends from Badline. Wow, that's good, my friend. Floor, tapos na po from Paloma or Sal. Ayan, may jacket ka na, Paloma. Flavors and tips, glad to be friends with you from Badline. Ayan. Thanks, Paloma. I will get back to you from Floor. Floor, salamat po from Paloma or Sal. Ayan. Bad Klein, your movie playing dog so cute from Paloma or Sal. Oh, wow. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Paloma. Oh my God, thank you very much. At least, nadagdagan na naman si Bad Klein ng friend. Wala naman ako nakikitang ano. Baka naman na-stuck na to. Ayan. Na-stuck na. Hindi ako nagpaandar ng aking mga mahal sa buhay para lang madagdagan, kasi nga gusto kong hindi naman ako mag-as in super tagal-tagal. Kaya sis, kaya ka nagtanong, kala mo maraming sa akin. Kasi nga noon ko kasi yung 'pag may gadgets kayo guys, if you're going to make live, if you have gadget, use your gadgets to watch your live also. This way, it helps your watch hour. Don't hesitate to use your all your gadgets what you get, because it helps your watch hour. As long as you're not using your personal phone, that's fine. But sometimes a lot of blogger, they're using their personal phones too. But people, YouTube, they don't they did not allow that. That's what this said. So that's why sometimes I don't wanna show my phone. I'm showing my other phone, but not my original. But people who have watch hour problems, so you can do that. Ayan. Magbasa na nga din ako, ang daldal ko. Thanks Paloma, I will get back to you. Oh my God, you know what sis, I like the way you talk, I like the way you speak English, Wina Floor. Cause napaka-fluent niya mag-English. Gusto ko siya magsalita, daw niya magsalita. Gustong-gusto ko. And sorry guys, yung boses ko ganito kasi tulog yung baby ko. I'm sorry. Ayan. 10 minutes na lang at mag-a-out na ako. Thank you so much guys. And guys, the who people who are not connected to Badline, please go and grab Badline, please. My God. Si Paloma, nag-connect ka na ba? Okay, your movie. Okay, si Paloma nag-connect na. Baliling TV. We have bad client in the building. Oh, we have bad client in the building. Oh, I'm reading in the maybe you are not connected to bad client. Inaantok na talaga. Naantok na ako. Kaya ganito ako. Sorry, guys. Yan. Sweet friend, if I write anything I shouldn't, please tell me so I can delete my message with friends. You're okay. No problem, my friend. I will tell you, okay? So, Flavors and Dave, she says sorry. It's okay. Oh, thank you so much, Paloma from Bad Klein. Yes, my dog, Jose, is this Jose? Jose is more popular than me. Lol, lol. Sis, exit mo na ako, ha? Good night to you all from Baliling TV. Thank you very much. It's okay. Thank you very much. Mag-out na naman ako son. So, I have 8 minutes left. Ayan, para mag-out na ako. Matutulog na ako. Kaya nawawalan ako ng medyo mahina na yung energy ko kasi I felt sleepy na. That's why. Busy kasi, whole day busy ako. Ayan, kanina naglaro ako. Oh guys, we have new in the building. We have Ricky DR. Guys, we have Ricky DR in the building. Yes, yes, yes. Ricky DR. We have Bad Klein. We have Flavors and Tips in the building. We have Wina Floor. We have Baliling TV. We have I forgot this Homely. Yes, Homely Remedies in the building. Guys, let's welcome Ricky R. Ricky Dior. I'm so sorry. We have Paloma Orsal in the building also. Ricky Dior. If you are not connected to Paloma, Winfloor, Butline, Baliling TV, Flavors and Tips, Homely Remedies, they are all legit. Promise. Na-spam si Home Remedy. Oh my God. Flavors and Tips. Your message from Homely Remedy to Baliling TV. It's in the spam. It's in the spam. Maybe you can write a message again in that video. Yan. Baliling TV, your movie playing How to Cook Tilapia with Oyster Sauce from Paloma Orsal. He trying hard sis oy from Winafloor. Ayan. Di siya napasok sa banga si Home Remedy. Pasok pa rin naman yung pag-click niya. That's the only pasok sa spam, yung message niya. Pero yung pag-click niya sa button mo, pasok na pasok pa rin yun. Counted pa rin yun. Hindi mawawala yun. Kasi sabi nila nawawala. Hindi totoo yan. Counted pa rin yun. Pero except na lang kung merong aalis sa bahay mo, mapagkamalang yung spam ang kumuha. Hindi totoo yan. Di, Please make sure to watch, right, guys, so you won't be in spam. Yes. Hi from Ricky Dior. Hello, Ricky Dior. Hello, Ricky from Winaflor. Leia, shout out from Ricky Dior. Shout out to you also, Ricky Dior. Thank you very much for coming to my LEs. Ayan. Be careful because if you always in spam, your get red flag kay YouTube. Oh, really? Oh, I heard that. I heard that. But I'm not really sure. I have to ask my friend about that. Yes, Wina, big up from Ricky DR. Oh my God, Wina Floor. Shout out daw sa kay Ricky DR. Big shout out. Yes, hello Ricky from Badline. Yes, Ricky, we have Badline in the building. If you are not connected to Badline, you can go grab Badline. He's legit. He's legit. Naantok na ako. Oh my God, thanks God. 5 minutes na lang din. Ayan. Yeah, Rikel, let's go from Wina Floor. Yes, Baliling TV. Your movie still playing from Paloma. Ayan, Ricky Dior. Hi from Paloma or Sal. Let's go and I'll return from Ricky Dior. Good to be here with you from Ricky Dior. Thank you also. Good to be here. Good to good to see you here also in my live stream. Thank you very much. If there is any spam message, please comment. I will remove and do again. No, Baliling TV, he said your channel, the other channel, Homely Remedies, who send you send comment to his video. The comment is in the spam, the Homely Remedies channel, who leave a message to Baliling TV. That's what he said. And not in my live stream, in the comment section. Yes. If the okay. Wina Floor, we're family from Ricky Dior. Wow, thanks God, your family now. Good. Hindi po ako nag-comment sa movie, just playing. Love and bigay ko from Paloma or Sal. Ayan. Baliling TV, I will do it again. Wow, oh, see Baliling TV, she's going to do it again. Yeah. Thank you very much, Flavors and Tips. Of its spam comment won't show in YouTube unless you have studio apps. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. You know what? That's why I download that studio apps. Bad line. Yeah, if you are still here, if you can hear, if you are still here, you can upload also. You can download also the YouTube apps, the YT, like this. The blur, the light again, like this. See, may not good. Yeah. You see this one? That's YouTube apps. Yes. Ayan. Flavors and tips. You're not in spam. I see that already. No, because flavors and tips and homely remedies, the only one person who owned that channel. So she's the one who running that homely remedies. So that's why she sent a message, Baliling TV. Ayan. Yeah, buddy Ricky, thank you. I will be there, man, from Winaflor. Wow. Oh my God. Sanay na sanay kasi si Winaflor sa English eh. Ako talaga ngarag pa eh. Talagang baliktad eh. Balubaluktot pa yung akin eh. Flavors and tips from Paloma Orsal. Okay, homely remedies also mine. I will do it again, Baliling TV. See, I told you. From Flavors and Tips. Ayan. Okay, Win the Floor from Ricky DR. Ayan. Okay, I will try. All I have is this phone. Okay. Yeah. You can go to the oh my God, sabay ganun. You can go to the Play Store and search that YT apps. This YT Studio. YT Studio. Yes, YT Studio, and then it shows just download that. This way you can see, and it shows also how many how many subscribers Yeah, everything it shows there like but it's not like the laptop. Laptop it shows everything. Phone is not like the laptop. Yan, yan. Yan lang naman sabi ko. Okay. So, yes. Okay. Okay. Ricky Dior, your movie playing from Paloma or Sal. Wow. Thank you, guys. Okay, sweet friend from Baglang. Guys, I'm done. I have to say goodbye. Are you done catching fish already? Are you done? Are you connected already, guys? I have to go. It's already 1 hour. I'm sorry, my friend. I have to go. Um, I'm not done to send you the people who make live also. I will send it to you again. I mean, I will send it to. My God, I'm still live. You're not watching me. My husband.
Phone's right here. When do you turn it on?
Oh no, I'm not. I'm not turning. Oh. My support still her is still there, sleeping na. They're so tired so. Oo. Pinanood na ako ng asawa ko. Nosebleed sad ko, pero Mrs. Oy, pait. Ayan. Okay, Paloma from Ricky Dior. Yan. Good night to you all. Sweet dreams to you all. Yes. Thank you, Bad Klein. Thank you very much for coming to my LS. I really appreciate. Ricky Dior, thank you so much. Wina Flor, Paloma Orsal, Flavors and Tips, thank you very much. Your two channel is here with me. Yes, watching me. Thank you very much, guys. Baliling TV, thank you so much. Thank you, guys. I really appreciate you all. Thank you. Yes. And thank you also, kahit wala na sila dito, want to say thank you, Love Janice. Thank you very much. Si Homely Remedies, thank you. Bad Clan, Wina Flor, Shira. Sino pa? Okay. Hindi na nga ako magbasa. Nick Ferrermo, Victoria Hopper. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you, Jessica Watford. Thank you so much for coming to my list to show some support. Gina Smith. Thank you, guys. And I have to say goodbye. I have to go now. Thank you very much, guys. Sweet dreams, my friends. Sweet dreams. Salamat, sis. Ayan. You're welcome, sweet friends from Bad Klein. Ayan. Good night, Bad Klein from Wina Floor. Ricky Dior, beautiful voice, I think, singer from Paloma. Ayan. Thank you so much, sweetie, from Bad Klein. Thank you also. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ate Hos. Thank you. And thank you very much also. Thank you, host from Flavors and Tips. Ayan. Thank you so much. And guys, my God, may pahabol pa. We have Dark Hunter. I will let him to catch fish because he's here. Dark Hunter, guys. Guys, please show some love to Dark Hunter. He's here. Oh my God. Win a floor. We have Dark Hunter in the building. Flavors and Tips. We have Dark Hunter. Paloma. We have Dark Hunter. Bad Klein. We have Dark Hunter. Bad Klein. We have Ricky Dior in the building. We have Flavor and Tips. We have Homely Remedies. Yan. Guys, show some love to Dark Hunter, guys. If you are not connected to Dark Hunter, go and grab Dark Hunter, guys. Ayan, humabol pa kasi siya. Ayoko namang didmahin. I'm going to, 800 pa si Dark Hunter. 800. Dark Hunter, if you are not connected to Bad Klein and Win the Floor, Flavors and Tips, Paloma or Sal, they are all legit. If you are not connected with them, go and grab them. John Bibbs Channel, her lang sis, BG. Wow, thank you very much sis. Sumabol ka pa. Thank you talaga. Mag-out na sana ako sis. Ayan, nandito kasi dumating si Dark Hunter. Kaya ayoko namang biglang mag-out. Nakakahiya naman. Ayan. Hello lang sisi, shout out sa iyo from John Bibbs Channel. Guys, John Bibbs Channel, let's legit also. Sis Lionel, kunin mo nga si Bad Klein, sis. Kasi kawawa yan siya, sis. Kawawa si Bad Klein. Kailangan niya ng isda. Maliit pa yung bahay niya, sis. Sis Lionel, now ko lang silip ga, mga sipi sa room. Sis, ka ng pwede bigyan mo sis si Bad Klein ng ng support mo, sis. Bigyan mo siya, sis. Kawawa siya, sis. So, 309 pa lang, sis. And sis, we have we have flavors and tips also. Mga kuan pa na ilang mga bahay, sis. Yes, sis. Okay, puntahan ko siya, ga. Yes, thank you very much, sis. Pati si flavors and tips kasi mga maliit pa yung mga bahay nila, sis. Baka naman pwede mong bigyan ng 5 support mo dyan si Bad Klein at saka si tips, flavors and tips, sis. Baka naman. Ang kapal na mukha ko, sis, no? Thank you, sis, ha? Thank you very much, sis. Ayan, tingnan ko nga to si Ricky. Ricky DR. I'm going to check Ricky DR also. Ayan, 671. Okay, isa-isa lang. I'm going to give Ricky DR also. Bigyan ko nga to sila. Since you're here, Ricky DR, I will give you two love. 2 kisses. Ayan. Thank you very much, sis, ha? Ayan, kakapalan ko na talaga ang mukha ko, sis. Ayan. Asa na ba yun? Ayan. Magbasa nga ako. Thank you sa lahat ng dito. Ayan, from Paluma. Busy ang Hong Kong, sis. Sorry, late now. Kung lang nakita LS ka. It's okay, sis. Don't worry. I understand naman. I know it's New Year's there, diba? New Year. John Bibbs, hello from Wina Floor. John Bibbs channel from Paluma Orsal. Now, kulang silip ga mga sipi sa room. Yes, from John Bibbs channel. Paluma, Dan from Ricky Dior. Ayan, pindutin ko nga to sa Ricky Dior. Thanks, Leia. Oh, you're welcome, Ricky Dior. I'm going to, one is done already. Okay, I will give you this. Just check your fish. Okay, I know I'm going to cut my live, but since you're here, I'm not going to wait for another day. So, you say, I can't wait. I will give you jacket also, Ricky DR. Thank you very much for coming. Ayan. I'm going to wait until the video is finished. This way. Still going to stay. Still going to stay, ha? What a English. Okay. Okay. Okay, thank you very much, sis, ha? Okay lang yan lang ga. Ikaw din naman, bigyan mo din ng mga viewers ko ng love mo. Kaya thank you din sa'yo, sisi. Well, thank you very much, sis. Good night to you all. Love you all from Bad Klein. Okay, thank you very much, Bad Klein, for coming to my LS. I really appreciate. Thank you very much, sis. Good night sa mga natutulog na dyan. I know. Ayan. Sis, flavors and tips also. Ayan. Okay, 674 now. Ricky DR, you have 674 now. Ayan. I give you one more. Hindi ko pa nakita kasi. Sige. Playing now, Ricky Dior. Thank you very much, guys, for coming to my LS. I really appreciate talaga. Dark Hunter, playing po from Paloma. Yan. John Bibbs, hello from Flavor and Tips. Oh my God, may dumating na naman, guys. We have Eve Calma. Eve Calma. Hi sis, Leia Path. Hello sis. Greetings sa lahat dito. Pa-out na sana ako sis. Pero thank you very much sis. Thank you sa pagdating. Ayan, sige sis, i-shout out mo na lang yan sila sis para kasi nung nandyan pa nakikita ka nang shout out sa kanila, at least maklik na yung bahay mo. 'Di ba? Guys, let's welcome Eve Kama. Eve Kama, she's in the building. Eve Kama, we have Paloma Orsal. Ayan. Ricky Dior, I'm going to click now. And congratulations, you have 675 now. Yes, support lang ako sis. Okay lang, hindi ako mangingisda. O, palis naman na ako sis, mag-out na ako. O, isang oras na ako, 10 minuto na. Thank you very much sis sa pagdating sis ha. Hey Paloma Orsal, Wina Floor, McGenis. Hey daw sa inyo, sabi ni Eve Calma. And sis, we have John Bibbs channel in the building. We have Ricky Dior, Flavors and Tips, Bad Client. I don't know if a Bad Client matutulog na yun kasi nga sabi nga niya good night na daw eh. So ayan, sige sis, sorry late ako, it's okay. Walang late sis, basta nandito ka, counted din naman yun sa views. Kaya, no problem sis. Okay lang yan. Buti nga yung late mo, at least nandito nakikita ako. Eh di at least talaga nakikita ako, 'di ba? Yung support ka pa rin sa akin, 'di ba? Kaysa naman wala din. Eh nga, just kidding. Wala. Nagbibiro lang ako sis. Sige sis, maraming salamat. Nagkaisdaan na ba kayo dyan? Nagka-connect na ba kayo dyan? So I have to close my screen now. Is it okay? Okay na ba? Connected na ba ang lahat? I have to go now. Thank you very much guys for coming to my LS. I love you all. Have a good night. Sweet dreams everyone. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Thank you very much. Until next time, sis. Thank you. Bye-bye. Ingat lagi. Ingat po kayo lahat. Mwah, mwah. Hmm? 1 hour na.